So we've already done one giveaway today. Now we're working on number 2, which is the giveaway for the Patreon supporters. Whether you're a $1 patron or a $100 patron, you're eligible for this giveaway. For the month of September, we gave away the General Lee that we did a few months back. For the month of October, it's this Hot Wheels Beach Bomb rear loader. Now each month for the Patreon supporters, we give away a custom. It may be a complete custom or in this case a build. This is definitely not a custom. We just built it and painted it. But it is a pretty expensive vehicle and it's got a nice custom paint job. I think a lot of people would love to have it. If you'd like to find out more, check out the links below the video in the description on how to support the channel on Patreon. Anyway, we are going to select the winner for the month of October, just like we did September, using the random name picker. We've got a list of names that are for support for the month of October. If you are a new Patreon supporter, the chances are your support is for the month of November. Patreon allows me to run a report telling me the month that you are supporting. And here are the names for the month of October. Got them all listed here. There's Dylan, Andrew, Robert F., Ann, Mark, Robert H. We've got 2 Roberts there. Henry, Kenny, Ben, Corbin, Benjamin, Tori, Daniel, Thomas, Marshall, and Jared. All we do is pick a random name, and it's Thomas. So Thomas, I will send you a message here on Patreon, or you can message me. That way I can get your address and get this out to you as soon as possible. There's a good chance it'll be later this week. I've got a lot of work to catch up on, but I'll get it out to you this week. Also, I may end up drilling and tapping the van, which we didn't do in the video. We just glued some little buttons on there. I don't think those will really survive shipping, so chances are you're going to get a drilled and tapped version. If you don't want that, let me know. I'm just afraid it may come apart in shipping. At any rate, congratulations, and be sure to get a hold of me if I don't get a hold of you. And thank you to all the Patreon supporters. I really appreciate it. It's been great. Thank you to all the YouTube supporters, everybody. It's been great. I love doing these giveaways. And again, we will have other giveaways throughout the year for non-Patreon supporters. We've already mentioned that. But for the Patreon supporters, you get these special ones. In saying that, I'd like to take the time to thank my top patrons, which are Gary Burke and Corbin Toll. Thanks again, guys. We really appreciate it. Again, if you'd like to become a member of Patreon to get these exclusive custom giveaways, be sure to check out the links below the video in the description on how to do so. Otherwise, look forward to the other giveaways we give on the channel. They're great as well. If you have any questions or comments, post those below. And as always, thanks for watching.